Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install The Sims 4 on your PC or laptop for free. First, open up a browser on your PC or laptop and navigate to this site. After that, go to the top right where it says Play for Free. Next, select EA app for Windows. Once it loads, scroll down and select Download the EA app. Save the EA app installer to your computer, and then open up that installer. Now, once the EA app is installed, you need to sign into your EA account. Once you've signed in, download and install The Sims 4. Search for The Sims 4 in the search bar at the top. You should see it right there. Select it and press download. After that, it's going to create the download options. You don't need to change anything here. So select next and then download. Now it's going to download The Sims 4 on your PC. And there you go, you can now play The Sims 4. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.